This is the Boeing one-day reading for July 26, 2024. It's currently June 12, 2024, 12:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Boeing at the time of this reading is $183.06. That's USD. The shuffle video for the July 26 reading was created on May 24, 2024, 12:48 a.m. Eastern Time. That's a video playing for you in the lower left corner. The overall theme of behavior for Boeing on the 26th, we have 3 pokes through the same trend line, followed by a sharp drop off of that third poke. That sharp drop offering trade opportunity. Behavior around the high side, we have bearish price swings, indicating we most likely see the high. We either just see the high in the midst of those price swings, or it might be that we see the high twice. But either way, there's price swings near the high. Behavior around the lowest low, we have a decline to and through support, and another support, and we rotate sideways along that support. We advise to trade around a brief peak that's easily missed, followed by a decline through multiple support levels. Now, I'm going to get into the hour-by-hour chart behavior as well as timing the highs, the lows, and the best trade opportunities. But before I do that, I want to make sure you're aware. The whole purpose of the channel is to transmute some of the competitive energy of the stock market into goodwill. We do that by following the rule of karma for the channel. You go to the resources tab of our website, Tarot for Traders, and 5% of the profits from every profitable trade utilizing this information should be donated forward to one of these charities, or pick a charity of your choosing as long as you're paying 5% forward, and then 5% should be sent back to the channel through one of these links. If you're international, you can use Wise or you can use YouTube tips, and that leaves you at 90%. Make sure to spend that 90% out of love. As long as you follow those rules, you follow the rule of karma for the channel, the universe considers you an angel investor. It's going to send it back to you tenfold for following through. Blessings to all my angel investors. Let's get back into it. In the pre-market, we have a rally along a diagonal trend line, breaking through horizontal resistance, meaning another resistance before pulling back to somewhere between those 2 price levels, and that high there in the pre-market. There's some sort of tricky chart behavior right at the open, so be very cautious. A move to the upside between the open and 10. That move to the upside though ends up with a decline into a trough just after 10 o'clock. That forms when we have a decline to and through support to be another support, and rotate sideways and then break down through more supports into that trough there just after 10 o'clock. Yeah, there's the decline there between 10 and 11 it ends with a fast sudden move higher somewhere between 11 and 12, taking us to a high between roughly 12 and 1. There's also a low between 12 and 1, so be very careful. A lot of price change there between that high and low there midday. And then out of that low around 12:30, we have another big move to the upside, 3 pokes through the same trend line, and then a sharp drop taking us to the low for the day, where we do sideways rotation along key support, and then that turns into a lot of price change to meet that support level. It's where we're revisiting support, and then volatility in the last hour that ends with a fast sudden move higher. That fast sudden move higher takes us into a failed attempt to break through key resistance at the close, followed by decline through key support, and then we have more movement to the upside in the post-market. Sneak preview for the following day, the 29th, is sideways fluidity, equal amounts of bulls and bear, inflow and outflow, and that's Boeing for July 26, 2024. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. As always, make sure to follow that rule of karma. You know where to go, you know what to do. Blessings to all my angel investors. I'll see you guys on the next one. Stay tuned if you got the paid version. We're going to get into the best trade momentarily.